Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Eli. In today's video we have two cases sent to us by Fashion Design. These are iPhone 11 cases. They have 360-degree protection, as you can see, and they come in two different colors, variants I guess, but they look very similar. So one is crystal clear and one is just normal clear. These are both new. These are 2019 editions. They came out in like the end of 2019, somewhere around the end. So they're very new products here. So they come in these nice bags, but that's just to save the cost because these are under like $10, I believe, on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description. Price may vary at the recording of this video, so I will go ahead and keep you informed, and the videos will be most likely updated and the prices below. But anyway, go check them out. They're definitely budget friendly. So this one is the crystal clear one. So this one is very clear. You have a nice hard TPU corners. It's a little bit flexible, not fully flexible. It's made out of plastic. Right here you have a little, like a rigid thing right here. It's raised a little bit, as you can see. You have a power button right here, and as well as two volume rockers and the silent rocker, whatever it's called. I don't remember what it's called. You have a camera cutout here, and then for the iPhone 11 case for the clear, I believe, you have this one. This one has like a little iPhone like design thing right here. So right here you see these red stickers. Yeah, you peel them off, and it basically it's like a screen protector, I guess. So we can go and take this thing out. This is basically what it would look like with your phone. They're just showing you a little example. It's kind of hard to take out. Hold on, bear with me. There we go. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It looks very similar. I don't think there is a difference between the two. Okay, there probably is. This one's a little bit, the left one's a little bit more protected. The right one's not as protected. But anyways, they both look really good. I know clear cases, a lot of people like clear cases over anything, so these will be very good. As you can see, they also have a screen protector in the inside, which is very good, because you can just peel it off and then apply your phone right there, and then it won't look dirty as soon as you get it. So right now, if I were to be touching it, it would be dirty, and then you would put your phone on and you have dirt or grime or whatever in the inside. In reality, you could just peel it off and then put your phone in. So yeah, it's really cool. I highly recommend these cases. They're really inexpensive. Once again, links in the description down below. I wanted to make this video real quick because these companies sent out these cases a while ago. I don't have the iPhone 11 right now, but I will be getting it in like a week or two, and then I'll be able to make an unboxing and several other videos. So thank you for watching.